Digital guidance in the Factbird Connected Operations application standardizes and digitizes shop floor activities. Using the digital form builder, you can create and digitize SOPs, guides, checklists, and forms in just a few clicks, making them available for frontline operations. For example, this includes inline quality checks, batch changeover checklists, and step-by-step troubleshooting guides. Various shop floor activities that typically require spreadsheets and paper can now be carried out digitally. So jumping into the system here, you can navigate to the activities section by coming over here and just clicking on activities with this icon. And that will bring you to these two pages. Let's start with just a quick overview of what these pages are. Here is where you have a list of all of the activities that have been created with their title, description, and location, as well as the option to create new activities. If we move to the reporting page, we're going to be able to see the historical record of how many of these activities were passed and failed, as well as various incidents of these occurring that you can look into in more detail.